I'm going to show you how to knit a bobble, which you can find in our beautiful cabochon pattern. So into your next stitch, knit into the front, swing around, knit into the back, swing around, knit into the front, and into the back. So you should have 4 stitches now. Then turn and purl those 4 stitches. One, 2, 3, 4, and then go ahead and turn back. And now you're going to knit across them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn again and purl across. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then turn your final time and you're going to knit all those 4 stitches together. Just insert your right needle under all 4 and knit them together. And then you can pop your little bobble out. Boop, there it is. So here's our 2 cute little bobbles, and on the actual shawl you can see how fun they are. They give such a bobbly little texture.